Introduction to Unix System Startup and Operation. First step,
print env. Then second is set.
setting the environment variables.
Type my underscore varchar equals generous Newton. Type echo space lower sign my underscore var. Next is type bash. Type my underscore var equals generous Newton in underscore shell. Type my type echo dollar sign my underscore var.
Second step, modifying the environment variable. So we are going to use another variable which is the export.
My underscore var and type bash. Type unsent space my underscore var and type echo space my underscore var.
Third step, removing variables. Fourth step, aliases of variables.